Hello, Chippewa students. This is Miss Holohan, and I am your principal. If I haven't had a chance to meet you yet, I look forward to doing so, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to the 21-22 school year. This is our first official day of school for all students. A special welcome to our new 6th graders. It was so fun to have you in the building yesterday, doing the In the Middle Day and learning all about Chippewa. Welcome to the building, our new 7th and 8th graders who haven't yet been here, and a welcome to our returning students who were in the building last year or maybe who are doing distance learning. We're so excited to have everybody back on campus. We really look forward to learning with you this year. We have a fantastic academic program where you're going to learn a lot about tons of different subjects as well as about yourself. We want you to know that we are committed to teaching you to think critically, to collaborate with peers, to try new things, to learn from your mistakes, and to continuously grow towards the best version of yourself. Here at Chippewa, we want to have a culture of kindness. We believe in treating every person in this building with kindness. All the adults, all of our classmates, all guests who walk through our doors, we believe in treating everyone with kindness. And speaking of kindness, I want to mention something about masks and kindness. You may have seen the signs around the building that state why it is that we wear a mask. Certainly there is the mandate from the Mounds View Public Schools, but we wear masks to be humble, to be kind, and to support our community. So it's the masks that allow us to be in person, full in person, and will hopefully limit our need to quarantine any students. But I also want you to know that we have a culture of kindness, and we are kind towards those who are not able to wear masks. We respect the fact that there are members of our community that cannot wear masks, and we treat them kindly as well. Kindness means being friendly. We're going to welcome our new classmates. It means being considerate. We're going to take time to help others. And it means being empathetic. We know that everyone has a story, and we honor their perspective. So a goal for today and for tomorrow and for the rest of the school year, please meet new classmates. Please follow all those safety protocols, wear your mask, put your mask back on after eating lunch, don't clump up into large groups. There's a lot of safety protocols this year because we want to make sure we stay in person. We know that you're going to learn a lot more about Chippewa and how Chippewa works. We've got a lot of information for you over the next couple of days. So please ask questions. Don't worry if you make a mistake or you get lost or you can't find something. We will take care of you. And remember, please, please, please be kind to all those around you. We are so glad that you are here. Each and every student belongs here. Each and every student is seen and valued here. Each and every student is going to get an excellent education, and each and every student will be cared for here. So welcome. We are excited that you're here, and here's to a great 21-22 school year. See you soon.